Are you looking for to create a TikTok Lite account? Then here's a step-by-step process on how you can easily create one. Well, you need to start by heading over to the Play Store if you're using Android device. Once you're in the Play Store, search for the application TikTok Lite. Tap on this app and then install it. Once you have installed, tap on Open. Once you're in the home page, it will land you on this page itself. So if you already have your TikTok Lite account, then simply tap on Login at the bottom of the screen and then enter your login credential and log into your account. But if you haven't created your TikTok account or TikTok Lite account, then you can create it with the help of your email address, phone number, Google account, or your Facebook account. From here, you can choose whichever account in which you want to create your account. Let me click on Continue with Google. Now choose a specific Google account from which you want to create your account. Once you have selected, your account will be created successfully. There you can see that your account has been created. If you head over to Me, you can see your profile, which means that your TikTok Lite account has been created successfully. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.